Welcome to my video tutorial on the elements of design. The elements of design are very, very dull. I, Grady Wagira, do not enjoy the elements of design. This is why I'm trying to make this video as quickly as I can, as painlessly as I can. So, first off, we're going to start with the elements of design, and this element of design is called line. Now, line can be considered in two different ways. Linear marks with a pencil brush, or an edge created when two different shapes meet. Now this picture here is an example of line. You see how the lines curve as the two different, pencil lines meet. They are, symmetrical, but they're not. They make sure they go with the flow, but they're always different. The next element of design is shape. A shape is contained in a defined area in a organic / geometric form. A shape that is positive in a painting automatically creates a shape that is negative. In this picture here that I have chosen as an example of shape, you see how the water takes the shape of the bottom of the glass as the glass is dropped in. Now the artist used this to show how the negative can come from the positive. Our third element of design is direction. Now, direction is where all lines have direction. There's horizontal lines, vertical lines, or oblique lines. Horizontal suggests a calmness, like some stability in the photograph or the scene that is being shot, or the painting that is being pictured. Calmness, stability, tranquility. Vertical lines give balance and can result in alertness, give off an alertness. An oblique line suggests action and movement in the shot or frame. This example here, of which I have chosen, shows an oblique line, as it shows the crumbling of a dock, where it suggests the movement over the years, or the action of supposedly the dock breaking. Our fourth element of design is size. Now this example is an example of color, but I chose this as an example of size because it shows the size of the ladybug. Now the definition of size is the relationship of the area occupied by one shape with the relationship of the other shape. As you see, the leaf is quite a larger size than the ladybug. And the ladybug is more focused in, showing, small size can have a great impact. Our next element of design is texture. Texture is a surface quality of a shape. It can be rough, smooth, and so forth. It can be physical, and it can be visual. This example here is a great example of both physical and visual. As you can see the texture physically as well as visually. You can see the bumps in the knot as you would in real life, and you have the feeling that you could do the same. Our second to last element of design is color. Color is also called hue. Now, color is very different. There's the primary colors, red and yellow and blue. The secondary colors, green, orange, and violet. The tertiary colors between each are between primary and secondary. There's also saturated colors and complementary color. Compound colors are also containing a mixture of three primaries. Color is very important and also not important to a shot or a photo. This example here shows how important color is, as it shows the blending of many colors into each other, and how colors can become one. Our final element of design is value. Value is the darkness and the lightness of a shot or a frame or a picture. It's also called tone. This example here shows tone very beautifully, as it shows the darkness in the bottom, and as it rises up the staircase that is depicted here, the light coming into focus. Like I said, the elements of design are very boring, and I really hope that this video was not boring. And that is what we have for you today. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. You are the only person that will ever see it. Have a great day.